FBD is used for drying granular materials, powders, and particles. It operates on the principle of fluidization, where a bed of solid particles is transformed into a fluid-like state by passing air through it. Heated air is introduced into the drying chamber from below the perforated plate. Loading material: the material is charged to a container called the drying chamber. This chamber is equipped with a perforated plate or distributor at its bottom. When manually loading materials, spread them as evenly as possible across the entire surface of the drying chamber. This helps achieve a uniform fluidized bed. Blower is push the air to heating chamber. Heated air passes through the perforated plate, it flows upward through the bed of solid particles. Particles are suspended and transforms the bed of particles into a fluidized state. The heat in the air is transferred to the suspended particles. This heat transfer is very efficient because of the high surface area and constant mixing of the particles. As a result, the material rapidly reaches the desired drying temperature. Solid particles are fluidized with hot air. Heated air transfer the heat duty to material to help for the drying. These suspending solids residence time for the drying is perforated chamber to finger bag, which separate the air with solid particles. Discharge: once the material has reached the desired level of moisture content, it is discharged from the drying chamber. Through a discharge valve at the bottom of the chamber or by lifting the perforated plate to allow the material to flow out.
Components of fluidized bed dryer: body stainless steel inlets, filters, air preparatory unit, product container or bowl, expansion chamber, exhaust filter, exhaust blower. Advantages of FBD: if the gas particle constant is excellent, it can lead to efficient heat and mass transfer rates, which results in faster removal of moisture. If part of the thermal energy for drying is supplied by the internal heat exchanger, high thermal efficiency is usually achieved. Lower facts on fluidized bed dryer. 1. What is the endpoint of FBD? The endpoint in FBD is calculated by using loss on drying method. 2. What is the full form of FBD? The full form of FBD is fluid bed dryer. 3. What is the difference between FBD and FBP? FBD is used for only drying and FBP is used for granulation, drying, agglomeration, and coating processes. 4. What is the full form of FBP? FBP stands for Fluid Bed Processor. 5. What is preheating? Preheating of granules is done to prevent the granules from adhering to the bowl.